Ngut ki Kyrtong juga BJP na Ri Bhoi District kila pyndep ya jingthep Kyrteng mynta sngi lai tarik Rymphang hakhmat ki returning officer ha ophis Deputy Commissioner Ri Bhoi na bynta iakhun ni ki Elekshon Mdc Shillong dorbar thaw ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Kine ki Kyrtong ka BJP na Ri Bhoi ki kynthup ya Manin raja na Nongpoh Constituency bad Rodney singli na sngi Constituency.
Ngayang naka seperti BJP pun kandidat BJP naka muslim Constituency dengan job nganjelek ka balaban yarap ya tebak jong dong Ri Bhoi nam ta putusan bat nang bynta dbmn per apa ka Constituency pada juga pot ngakerpat yang tebak juga muslim Constituency mungkin selang rekan-rekan buat nga
cái trai jing pi
hari juga kalau baka parti BJP kadang pasin syariah ka di India dia ka nganjop na ka BJP parti ngalak sibun menyerap yang tebak di Constituency juga muslim bat ban ya selang rekan-rekan batki.
I'm contesting from BJP party from to Nongpoh constituency. So I'm so happy that at least party has given me to stand for the party for the Nongpoh people. And first time our party has coming up with the manifestos, and we are trying after winning the thing honorarium to the traditional head, local head like CM, Doloi, Dorbar Snong, Sorder Sipen, and we are financial assistance also. We are going to give for the local domestic registered domestic workers like a taxi driver, auto driver, laborers, widows, single mothers, and strengthen the our traditional practice. I mean healing practice with the help of Ayush Ministry, and we are trying after winning that border issue also we'll see after discussion with the thing. Then again we are looking for the transparent recruitment in the district council as soon as we see.